Are you tired of dealing with joint pain and discomfort? Do you feel like you're missing out on the activities you love because of joint issues? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with joint problems every day. But there is a natural solution that can help: NuviaLab Flex. NuviaLab Flex is a natural dietary supplement that's specially formulated to promote healthy joints and reduce inflammation. It's made with a unique blend of natural ingredients, including glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, and other powerful joint-supporting nutrients that have been shown to provide a variety of benefits. Studies have shown that glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM can help to improve joint function, reduce pain and stiffness, and support overall joint health. These ingredients work together to lubricate joints, promote healthy cartilage, and reduce inflammation, which can help to alleviate joint discomfort and support greater mobility and flexibility. But don't just take our word for it. Here are some real testimonials from satisfied NuviaLab Flex customers. I've been using NuviaLab Flex for a few weeks now, and I can already feel a difference in my joint health. I'm able to move more freely and without pain. I've tried other joint supplements in the past, but NuviaLab Flex is by far the best. It's made with natural ingredients and has no side effects, and it's really helped me to improve my joint function. With NuviaLab Flex, you can enjoy the benefits of natural joint support without any harsh or harmful ingredients. It's easy and convenient to take, and it's designed to work over time to support long-term joint health. To use NuviaLab Flex, simply take number of capsules per day with a meal. And with our satisfaction guarantee, you can try NuviaLab Flex risk-free. Imagine being able to take a long walk on the beach, play with your kids or grandkids, or enjoy a game of golf without feeling discomfort or pain. With NuviaLab Flex, you can improve your joint health and reclaim your active lifestyle. Don't let joint pain and stiffness hold you back any longer. Try NuviaLab Flex today and start enjoying the benefits of healthy, pain-free joints. Visit our website to learn more and place your order. Your joints will thank you. Try NuviaLab Flex today and start enjoying the benefits of healthy, pain-free joints. Visit our website to learn more and place your order. Your joints will thank you. Visit our website to learn more and place your order. Your joints will thank you.